still hear your voice in the quiet of night, soft as a whisper, fading out of sight. The bed feels colder, your side untouched. I'm holding on to shadows I can't clutch. How do I let go of never said goodbye? You're gone, but you live where my soul still cries. I'm lost in a dream where your hand finds mine, where the world stops turning just to freeze in time. In the silence I scream for what used to be, but you only love me in memory. I'm lost in a dream, and you're all I see. Your scent still lingers in the folds of my mind, like perfume from a past I can't rewind. Photographs lie, they smile but deceive. They show forever, but you still chose to leave. And I build a heaven just to feel you near, but angels don't answer when I pray through my tears. I'm lost in a dream where you never leave, where I'm not the one left alone to grieve, where your voice still calms every storm in me, but daylight shatters that fragile belief. I'm lost in a dream where love can't breathe. I walk through our memories like a ghost in a maze. Every turn takes me deeper into yesterday. If dreams are the only place we still meet, then I'll sleep forever, just to feel complete. I'm lost in a dream where you're still my home, where your heart hasn't turned to stone, but the morning always comes too soon, and I wake to the ache of an empty room. I'm lost in a dream, 'cause waking means losing you.